what's up with y'all? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to do an oversized tee in Procreate. Now, my last video that I did design, I only did one design video so far, and that's my biggest video on my channel. So now I'm finna hit y'all back with another one because I've been seeing in the comments a lot of folks trying to just get videos on me doing something in Procreate alone. So I'm finna go ahead and try to do that for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all me editing it, alternate how I need to, me putting on the shirt, everything from start to finish. But yeah, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's get this shit. Alright, so as y'all can see, I am now in Procreate. I already imported my mock-up. It's just a mock-up of an oversized tee, bro. This is all you gotta do. Search up on Google, oversized white tee. I'm telling you, it's that easy. So I got my shirt ready. I'm gonna make this disappear though, because I found a image that I like. I like this image. Bulldogs. Nice, simple, nothing too crazy. And there's like an old school vibe to it with all like the grungy look to it. So I do click read it. If you on your iPad or iPhone, just click read it. And then click these dots up here. Open it in your browser, bro. Shit easy. Open it in your browser. It's gonna pull up the image. All you do, swipe up the app, put it to the side, hold down. It's gonna, you gotta drag it straight to Procreate. No saving pictures or none of that. You ain't gotta save no picture, you ain't gotta do all that extra shit, nothing. From what I could tell with the people that I usually see do it, it's a front and a back. So what I'm noticing right now, you gotta be observant when it comes to making your designs and everything. So I'm noticing right now that with the collar, it's only showing the front of the collar. His jaws are covering pieces of the collar. His head is covering pieces of the collar. So we're gonna have to fill that in. You see these open areas where it's at, like you gotta pay attention to stuff like that. Like these open areas, like a spike could go right here, a spike could go right here, and a spike can go right there. Right now, I just wanna see how the back would look without me trying to fill in everything first. So let me duplicate this, and I'm gonna just take an eraser and erase everything. Let me just take a monoline and just erase all this. Alright, so as y'all can see, this is not how I would like it to look though. I would want to put the details of the collar, because some people literally just leave it like this, like they just erase the face and erase detail like the details in the ears, and they leave it just like this and have the back looking like this and the front looking like this. But me, I be want to go the extra mile. I be want stuff to look perfect. So I'm gonna even trace over this and redo the whole thing. Like I'm gonna sharpen up some of these edges and make them look better and everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take just a regular pencil. It don't matter what pencil you take. We just trying to sketch out the remaining pieces that's missing. All I'm gonna do is take shit. I'm gonna make another layer, and then I'm gonna sketch out the pieces that's missing. This is where it comes in handy if you able to just, I ain't gonna say use your imagination, but you just able to kind of put two and two together where things are supposed to go. If that makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and a time lapse so y'all can go ahead and just see the finished product. So this shit from time lapse. Okay, as you can see, I done got the collar pretty much where I want it, but this is basically how the back of the collar gonna look. So we just I'm gonna just erase all these lines that's going through them like this. We got this down, so this how basically roughly how the back gonna look. So I'm gonna just draw his jaws on the top of his head peeking from the front of this. So this is how this gonna look. I'm gonna go ahead and speed all this up so y'all can see the finished product. So I just finished the outline for this. We got it fully written out. I might put like along with the brick design on the back, I want to put my logo on the back somewhere. Let me see textures. Let me see old skin. Let me see how this look. Okay, I might add this texture. It look pretty nice. You can see this is like a leather, like football material. I fuck with that. I ain't never seen that before. We're gonna test that out. Just moving on to sketching out the front because I don't want to have it exactly like this. And this might be just an extra step on my part, but I gotta do it. So which means I gotta take the collar from the front, from the back, duplicate it. I'm gonna bring the opacity on this down, and then we just gonna erase this shit from the back. Basically, we just gonna erase all of this. Not all of this, but like only the part that's covering facial parts. As you can see, it's not too hard to design. You really just gotta have an idea. As long as you got an idea, it's not that hard to design nothing. So basically, we just gonna take the same pencil and we're gonna go over the pieces that we didn't cover the first time. So let me actually make this pencil a little bigger, and we're just gonna go over it like this from the time lapse so y'all can see it better yet. Okay, so as you can see, we have this thing written out, man. This is how the front will look, this is how the back will look. So now we just finna ink this shit in so we can get a good representation of how it would look. First of all, let me go ahead and put this back up here. Now the whole collar is on. It's a new collar. It's not the same collar that he had on, because his was like this. But as you can see, this is how the new dog look. So this is what's gonna be on the front, what's gonna be on the back. Most likely we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and try to see how my logo will look. So gonna put it right now. Okay, now I'm gonna try to see if I can simple. I'm most likely gonna go ahead and skip to after I've done all the inking, so y'all might see a small time after this, but if y'all don't, y'all can see the finished product. Alright, now y'all, as I can see, just finished the finished product basically. This is how it's gonna look. But as I can see, this is basically the finished product. I didn't want this video to be too long. I'm most likely I'm gonna cut out all the time lapses and not even leave them in, just so this video don't be too long. I want it to be kind of as long as the last one when it was 13 minutes. So y'all shouldn't. This video should be no longer than 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, because it's not a hard process. It's just I'm taking my time, actually trying to get these lines crisp and everything. Nah, we're finna do the back, and then we're gonna add a little color to it, because I want this bulldog to be like gray. I want it to have like a gray and pink color scheme for one of them, and green and red, or like a black and red and gray and pink colorway. So we're gonna see how we're gonna make that work. Might do the collar and the eyes a certain color, and his skin tone. Yeah, here. So we're gonna duplicate this. We're gonna add a little color to it first, 'cause I actually want to see how this will look. So we're gonna make this shit gray. Make his top that gray. We're gonna make his jaws like his color, beige, tan, nude, whatever you want to call it. His tongue gonna be like a maroon. Hell nah, I want to do like a burgundy. Eyes red. Okay. Make his collar red. Ooh shit. Gonna make his collar red, so how they look. I'm gonna make his tongue red too. So I'm gonna add a black rim to his eyes too, just to make it pop. Yeah. Now it's gonna be something like this on the front, and then to add a texture, 9 out of 10, I'm gonna try something I ain't tried before, cause I ain't never put no texture on some before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do the old skin, and I'm gonna do like a clipping mask. First, I'm gonna duplicate all of these and merge them together. Merge these, then do a clipping mask. So basically all a clipping mask does is make it to where, oh hell yeah, Oh yeah. If you could see that, it made it look like it's that football material I was talking about. I just did gray, so it'll be like the underside look. It works if you do gray. I'll put it like that. Yeah. And I just want to see how this would look on the shirt so far. Resize this to go on the front shirt. See how that look? Hell yeah. And basically this is how the front will look. It'll be like this, and then we're gonna do the back. Oh my gosh, this shit hard. This shit hard. Hold on, this shit, damn. Nah, this shit hard. Let me go ahead and finish the back. Alright. So as I can see, I just got done with the line work for the back. It looks pretty decent. This is literally just gonna be this, and then I'm gonna just put the More World logo back here like that, just to add a little touch to it. Shit hard. First, I'm gonna go ahead and put the color on here, so I'm gonna use the color picker to get that, and I think that's really it for the jaws, and then I gotta get the color from it. So that's not how the front gonna be, and then I'm most likely gonna take a darker version of that and put it back here. Collar, red, this, and I might make the More logo red too. Outline in black would be hard. Okay, I'm gonna outline the black real quick. Alright, y'all. So I just did the outline, just small outline for this. I'm finna go ahead and put this on here. Remember, duplicate and merge it. So all y'all do is take it, pinch it. Now this is one whole layer that we can edit. Same thing we did with the other one. We make a new layer, do a clipping mask, and then we take that and we go to gray, and then we take the old skin and we just turn our pencil to the side and lightly shade over all this. If you can see this how the texture look, I really like how that texture look. I've never seen nobody with this type of texture. I've always seen like the bricks or something like that. I ain't never seen this texture, so we finna go ahead and actually I'm gonna duplicate this and make it black and turn the opacity down just so I can make it a little darker. So I can add a little depth to it. Yeah, I like that. That's a little better. Yeah, you probably can't tell too much of a difference, but it makes it just a little darker. Like, let me show you. It just makes the lines a little darker like that and make it look more textured. That make that shit look good as hell, boy. Alright. Now we basically done. That's really all you gotta do. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put the shirts right there. I'm gonna go ahead and group these and shrink this down. And now we have our shirt, man. This shit's simple. And it's a nice looking shirt. Only thing I probably might add is like sleeve tag to go right here. Something like that. But other than that, I wouldn't really add anything else other than like, of course, neck tags and things like that. But other than neck tags, you don't have to really add too much to a shirt like this. Design speaks for itself. It's a nice, clean design. Switch colors, everything. So just let me know if y'all want to see me drop something like this, because I really like this. I might drop this shit regardless. This shit hard. This is something I've been wanting to make for a minute, but I never really got around to doing it. So I'm glad I was able to show y'all the process of me doing this, because this is my first time ever trying something like this. So y'all get to see it firsthand, me trying something new on Procreate, and it turned out exactly how I wanted it to. I'm gonna make more videos like this. Next time I might probably do some pants or some shorts or something like that. So just stay tuned for the next video. If y'all got any suggestions, put them down in the comments below, and I swear I'll get back with y'all. I respond to all comments. You already know the business. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.